A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, we were studying your chapter number 3, that is editing text in Word. Today we are going to move to part 3 of this chapter. So, all of you are ready? Yes. So, we will revise quickly. Okay, dear kids? Yes. Now just pay attention to the screen. The first screen which you will see here, that is your desktop. How you will get the word down on the taskbar, in the search box you have to write word. Okay, here what you will write? Word. So you will get the application for Microsoft Word. Okay. See, look over here. I have typed here word. So, in this way, you also have to type word and just a single click. Okay? Yes. And after that, what will be there? Then there will be the opening of our Word window. Yes, our Microsoft Word document will be started like this. That is your Microsoft Office 2019. In this way, you will start your Word document. Okay? In each and every video lesson, I will be starting like this. Okay? From the very start. How to start your Word window. Now, this type of screen will appear. You have to click on blank document. Just a single click. Okay? Just a single click, and then the window will appear for document, for Word. Yes, this is your window for Word application. Okay, now let us see today what we will learn. We will learn about inserting and over typing text. Now, sometimes you want to insert text, that is place a new text between the existing text. You may also want to overtype it, that is replace the text with a new one. Okay, in our notebooks we do it very easily, है ना, हम रब करके फिर से लिख देते हैं, फिर से corrections करते हैं. But in computer also it's very easy, you just have to learn it. Okay, before inserting or overtyping text, you should always check whether the insert or overtype mode is selected on the status bar. Now, how to select this mode? Let us see. This is your Word window. Okay, where is your status bar? On the bottom, where it is written 0 words. What it is written? 0 words. Here you will right click. What you will do? You will right click on it. Okay, and then a dialog box launcher will appear like this. Okay, look over here, dear children. As I am highlighting it, you can see overtype and insert. You have to select this option. Okay, you have to put a tick mark on this option. Okay, after then only you can insert any text or you can overtype any text. Okay, what you have to do? Right click on the status bar, put a tick mark, select this mode, that is overtype and insert mode. Now, look over here. On the status bar it is written insert. That means we are currently working on the insert mode. Okay, so let me write something for you all. Eat healthy. That is there in your textbook. Okay, you can also do along with me. Space. Then again space and healthy. Now see, this statement is incomplete. Yes, eat healthy and healthy. Kya? So we have to insert some words over here. Yes. So look over here, the insert mode is selected. Okay. Now as there is an insert mode over here, you can type here be healthy. Okay. Eat healthy and be healthy. Now, for suppose if I have written here the wrong spelling for healthy. Okay. If I have written here the wrong spelling of healthy. Okay. So, what will I do? I will overtype this text. what I will do, I will over type this text. Now you are currently working on the insert mode. To work on over type mode, you have to click over here. Okay, look over here on the insert. When you will click, you will get the over type mode. Okay, on the status bar. Yes dear kids, then you can write down the spelling here, that is healthy. Look, as I was writing the spelling, the words, the letters which were left out, that was LTHY, that were removed. वो खुद ही खुद remove हो गए, है ना? So हमने क्या किया, हमने over type किया text को. Notebooks में it's very easy, notebook और textbook में करना है बहुत easy है. You can rub it and do it. But in your Word, how you will do, on the status bar. Okay, you will right click on the status bar, you will click on this over type mode and then you will get to know. Okay, तो आपको यहाँ पे पता चल जाएगा कि insert mode है कि over type mode है. So after that you can make the changes easily in your Word document. Understood? How to insert the text and how to over type the text. Over type मतलब replace करना existing text को. Over type means to replace our existing text. जो text already है हमारे Word document को, उसको replace करना. That is known as over type. And what is insert? To insert some text between the existing ones. ठीक है? कुछ text को insert करना between the existing ones. As I have shown you earlier here, eat healthy, then I have written only healthy. So that statement was incorrect. So after that I corrected it and I made it eat healthy and be healthy. Understood? In this way you can overtype the text and you can insert the text as well. Okay, now let us see the next what you are having. After that you are having, okay, we have seen this inserting an overtype text. Next is deleting the text. Now again in your books how you can delete the text, by rubbing it, you know, but in your computers, in your laptops, you have to learn how to delete the text. Okay, now for suppose I am placing the cursor over the left of my text, that is the B. Okay, so I will just press the delete key. Yes, look over here, how many times I am pressing the delete key, that much letters will be deleted, like this. Okay, so this was the delete, you deleting the text with the help of the delete button on the keyboard. Okay, so मैंने क्या किया, first of all I will again write it down for you, the spelling of healthy. See, we are currently working on overtype mode, so automatically the spelling was corrected, है ना, देखा ना आपने screen पे? Yes, in this way you can work as well. Now if I want to delete the healthy word, so what will I do? I will place the cursor here. I will keep on pressing the delete key like this. Okay. Now you can delete the text with the help of the backspace as well. If you want to use the backspace key on the keyboard, you have to place your cursor on the right of the text. This was on the left of the text to use the delete button. To use the backspace button, place your cursor over the right of the text. So you can easily use the backspace key like this. Okay, as you can see over here, है ना, very easily. Yes, to delete the text with the delete button, place your cursor to the left of the text. To delete the text with the backspace button, place your cursor to the right of the text. Okay. Again I will show you. Here I have written eat healthy. Now again I have to delete this healthy word. So I have placed my cursor to the left of the text. Where? To the left of the text. So I will keep on pressing the delete key like this. Now I will place my cursor to the right of the text to use the backspace button. Okay. So I am using the backspace button on the keyboard. In this way you can delete the text with the delete button on the keyboard or with the backspace button. You have to just place your cursor properly. Understood dear kids? Is it clear? while you are doing this your practicals, you can also go through the textbook. The steps are also written there, each and everything is written there. Okay, so you can do the practicals with the help of the textbook, and it will be very much easy for you all. Understood? And please try out these practicals. If you are having any doubts, we can solve in your online classes. Yes, you can share the screen, you can ask your doubts with me. Okay dear kids, I hope you are clear in this video lesson. Now we will meet next time with something more interesting in computer, and we will learn lot of practical work in computer in your Microsoft Word application. Understood? Now we will meet next time with something more interesting. Till then, bye bye all. God bless.